For the like.
And the mag book kicks forward.
This I went. So really, and then I was in London for the Olympic Games.
You could actually use the gloves with this one.
Well, and then here.
Jesus. Yeah, I'm gonna try it with gloves. I'm gonna try dumping it with these gloves on. Grip on them.
What's that?
I'm gonna dump them into the
You're gonna dump it?
yeah. There's only
You got it. You got it.
this mag
More
loader
than
just-
brass. Are you taking
Yeah.
any
You
of
gonna
your
try this,
brass?
Dalton?
Okay.
Yeah, here a little bit. This mag loader's just not working.
Wow. Chewed it up that time.
Come on.
Yeah.
Six rounds. Here in a little bit.
There we go.
Talk that shooting.
Adam, you want to wait for the rest of the rounds for the USP?
I know.
What's that?
There's 30
Good
rounds here
job.
for the USP if you want to use that.
They'll try the fifth.
So
PF9.
all three dots
That might
will
be there.
line up perfectly.
Dude, this freaking mag loader just sucks to give you
Absolutely perfect
with it.
on the red bull. You just have to learn how to do it.
Okay.
Gee, have you even tried this mag
Good
loader?
to know. Good to know that
Yeah,
they
they were
do.
good.
Right?
Not really.
Smart ass. But don't forget, when you're shooting, because I see what you were doing. So rather than right before you're about to shaking, just do it normally. Just let
Yeah, I
it
think I'm going to
flow.
dump it with my gloves on again. Get my hands warm.
It's a really Go ahead and
Hit
act
me in the
like
freaking
you're
hand with one of those.
What?
Hit me right in the hand with one of those.
Get.
Don't let this drop. Alright. Here we go.
You gonna try that 44?
How many rounds you got? How many rounds?
6.
There you go. Don't let it
It
drop.
actually kicks less than a
Yeah,
45.
that's
I know. I load them really freaking
Oh, no.
light.
5 or 6.
Right
6.
thumb over left hand.
Like that.
It's very gentle.
Empty.
Now, do you think
What's
I can do that?
Do you like it?
No.
Yeah, kind of. Not that bad.
Well,
I'll
not
try.
keeping this on. That's impossible.
Oh yeah.
No, I'm saying like being able to control your shooting
Yeah. I'll try.
without shaking.
Do I have to do that now?
Yep.
Work?
Perfect. You're making me so proud.
Okay. Good. Good.
So remember, instead of it all the way up, just do it.
Oh,
let it
forgot
up
about
where-
it.
See, you're doing it again. you're starting to shake.
I don't realize it.
Yeah. Okay. Keep your arms straight. Keep doing it. Okay. So.
I don't get it.
When you weren't feeling it
No, I don't
Like-
feel that.
when you were about to shoot, like you tensed up. Yeah. Right when you're about to shoot, you start tensing.
I guess.
That's called anticipating the shot. Instead of doing that, you just yeah.
Shooting a gun.
Not
Empty.
all right.
Gloves keep slipping.
So let's try it again.
Okay.
Pow.
You enjoy it?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's a lot of fun.
Isn't
I
it?
don't really know what I'm doing, but
Click.
It's fun.
let's get.
Like I said, you know, it's just guns aren't that dangerous. It's just who's behind it.
Yeah. So.
Do you see what I'm talking about now?
So,
Yeah.
you see that person here?
What's that?
What?
When I'm behind the gun, that would be great.
Yeah, you're scary as shit.
Yeah.
No, I'm just kidding. No, you're doing well. You're doing well.
I mean, I get the job.
That's a start.
Right?
We all gotta start somewhere.
As long as I don't aim for ours and hit our neighbor.
Gotta be safe. Might get a little.
I'm gonna throw this PF9 real quick.
Okay, good job.
Double
What's
taps.
I'll
Shit, I wonder if I have my other one on me.
Dang. Holy crap, dude, that fucking.
yeah, do it.
Pick the gun up.
Yes.
Don't get upset.
I just don't get what I'm doing.
Okay.
How's that?
Get ready. No, go ahead and shoot.
I got 244, son.
So you didn't do it that.
Okay.
So remember,
You're gonna pull
keep
any,
it held down. And then slowly
Oh, I
release it.
forgot about that.
what's up
You have to
with
tell
this?
me like 50 more
Shenanigans.
times.
No, I was gonna say you're gonna pull like, you know that Looney Tunes character that has his double.
Did you feel that click?
Yeah.
You-
So when you go ahead and pull it back,
You know what I'm talking about.
and it'll
right?
shoot again. You have to let it go all the way.
Oh!
You see?
Well, it was better. Is it better? It was better.
You're getting there.
Very good. I like my little grenade. I guess I should probably say I like beating myself up. PF9.
It ought to be, each booth ought to be plexiglass in between. If you want to go and wait in the car, I can.
I got this in it.
Yeah, this is
No.
yeah.
I didn't. That's okay. It's okay.
Getting there though.
God damn, dude, it's fucking cold out here. Alright, time to use my hand grenade.
I tried.
Ceasefire on the Hagen range.